ice cubes with it if you want to make it more cold. This watermelon juice is perfect for summer. It suppresses your hunger. It will reduce your appetite. It will help you in weight loss. It is perfect. Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Recipes Fitness Tips. Today I am going to share a very easy recipe of watermelon. Friends, summer is there. So how to lose more weight in summer? We can include this watermelon in our diet to lose more weight. In watermelon 80% is water. It is very low in calorie. It suppresses our hunger. In this way it helps us in weight loss. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. Friends, without wasting time, I want to share that how to select a perfect watermelon from the market. First of all, it should be very heavy. This watermelon is almost more than 2 kg in weight. Second thing, when you will do this, the sound should be like it is solid from inside. It should not be hollow. That's when it is overripe and it is rotten. And the most important thing, that this yellow spot should be there in the stem part. Before making this watermelon juice, I want to share one thing, that it's a very hectic task to separate the seeds. Now how to separate the seeds very nicely so that you will not face that much problem, I will share in this video. First, we will cut this watermelon in half off. So friends, you can see that this watermelon is very red and I have cut it in half a portion. Now again I will chop this half portion in 4 pieces. I will use only half of this watermelon. So friends, you can see that I have chopped this half of the watermelon in 4 pieces. It is very red, that's when it is very sweet and it's juicy also. Now what we will do, we will cut this upper portion because only in this part seeds are there. So friends, you can see that how easily I have removed the seeds part from the watermelon. So it is very easy, very quick to remove all the seeds from the watermelon. Now I will separate this red portion from this watermelon one by one. So friends, for making this watermelon juice, we have chopped this watermelon in this way and removed all the black seeds from it, as I have shown already that how to remove it. I am using this much of ginger. This will give a very nice flavor on it, and I am using half of the lemon in it. And to sweeten it, I am using organic honey. You can skip this honey if you don't want to use. And I am using some black salt with it. That's it. Now in a mixer grinder jar, I will add this watermelon. Now I will add this ginger with it, this lemon juice with it, now I'm adding this black salt in it, and I'm adding this organic honey with it. Now we will blend it nicely. So friends, our watermelon juice is ready. You can see it is perfectly smashed. Now we will serve it in a glass. You can add some ice cubes with it if you want to make it more cold. Enjoy this summer with this watermelon drink, especially in evenings, to suppress your hunger, to reduce your appetite, to lose weight. It is perfect for weight loss. I have added ginger with it, which is increase your metabolism. I have added lemon with it, which will help you to get glowing skin, to lose weight, for getting good hair, overall body health. Enjoy with your friends and family this watermelon drink, and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel.